9-inch Cessna 182 Skylane from Seagull Models and Legend Hobby, guys. Flies fantastic right out of the box, pretty much plug and play. Everything comes already pre-installed except for your elevator and your rudder. Only thing this plane needs and it's screaming for is some lights.
So you can do it?
Probably will, man. I'm gonna call Dave's RC Electronics and probably get some lights in this thing.
Nice.
So let's taxi her out.
Timer start.
Wind's getting nice now, not an aggressive crosswind.
Timer stop.
We'll take off flaps.
Timer start.
Flaps up.
You're gonna go for 20 minutes?
Well, I got the timer set for 10. Not quite half power.
Remaining 9 minutes.
Come with a barf bag?
Plenty of power. Flying it in high rates.
Remaining 8 minutes.
Flying it with a 5200 6S.
Can't tell the difference between a fake one and a real one. It is a real one, just a small real run. Small real run? That's a lot of R's.
I'm telling you, man, it flies incredibly well.
Raw rear run. Be a slow flyby so I can see the pilot, which isn't in there.
Timer stop. Timer start.
That was at 25% power when I came by.
I was wondering why you're going so fast. Man, doing 900 miles an hour.
No flaps.
It's against the rules. Oh, it's nice greenery. Plane matches the trees and the grass. So did you put all this together in one night, or was it a little more than one night?
You can do it in the afternoon, really.
Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 6 minutes.
You bored yet, Wing?
Mm-mm. Not even. Pays $200 an hour to film.
Say it does. Is it that much in peanuts and Mountain Dew, maybe?
Yeah, Mountain Dew and pretzels. Yum.
Timer stop.
You can film all day long. It's really stable. No
Very
gyro,
stable.
or there is gyro?
Yeah, I've got a gyro in it.
Is it on?
Yes.
Is that why you're flying so good?
Possibly. No, this plane, I flew it without a gyro for a little bit in the beginning, and it was very stable without it, but the gyro just really locks it in, man.
Well, there he goes, making everybody
Timer
throw
stop.
up again.
You got to give your passengers a ride, man.
Oh, you're giving them a ride, all right. You're going to have to clean up
Timer
all the
start.
throw up, though. Gets away pretty quick. Man, I can barely keep on this one. I can't imagine it was like that little tiny one you were filming.
Yeah, I can tell you.
That thing was all over the place.
Timer start. Time remaining 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Feels like an eternity.
Well, we've already flown it
Timer stop.
half the time I've got it allotted for.
Oh, that's why.
Timer start.
Gotta find it.
Timer stop.
Land that thing. Oh, man.
Perfect landing, man.
That's that popcorn guy, Mr. Butterworth. No, that's Mrs. Butterworth. What's the popcorn guy? Oh, I can't. Orville Redenbacher landing. Smooth popping. Takes off like nothing.
Good. God, if it had lights.
Timer stop. Time remaining 6 minutes. Timer stop. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Timer stop.
go. Legend Hobby. Skyline Cessna 182.
You don't like it, do you?
Love it.
Well, that's good.
A beautiful and amazing flying airplane from Seagull Models and Legend Hobby, the Cessna Skyline 182. Get yours today at legendhobby.com. You'll be glad you did.